Parallax is this awesome 3D effect you can see in tons of websites, games, and apps. It's an interaction delight and it attracts people like crazy. And in this class, I'm going to show you how to hand code your own Parallax experience using JavaScript. It may appear like voodoo and dark magic, but it's actually pretty simple and hugely rewarding. My name is Rich Armstrong and I've been making things move with code since 2006. In this class, we go step by step through how to create a parallax experience by responding to the mouse move and document scroll events. The class is packed with theoretical and practical videos, and by the end you'll be able to amaze your friends and bring life and magic into your web projects. I designed the class for someone who knows their way around HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so if you're keen to create some parallax interactions, join the class at taptapkaboom.com.